Good morning, fourth graders. Quick check-in here on what we're doing in our classes today. So in Miss Wolf's classroom, you have your topic 4 math test. A little different as far as the layout here. You're going to see that below each question there are videos. If you listen to the video below, all right, it will read the question to you as well as the answers. There are 20 questions on this. It's, again, on addition and subtraction. All right, regrouping and grouping, you're going to have to do that using mental math strategies, whether that be using compensation, okay, adding up or subtracting to get you to a 0 or 5 to help you. Next, in Mrs. Vasquez's class. Okay, today is Veterans Day, so what you're going to do is I'm going to read the directions here, slides 1 and 2. You're going to look at the links and slides. It's just giving some information on patriotic stories and songs. There's a PowerPoint under today's assignments. You're going to read and complete the Veterans Day mini book, which is this right here. Gives you some activities to do. Now it's your turn to show what you've learned. You're going to pick 3 choices from the choice board and show what you've learned about Veterans Day. And then finally, you're going to spend the rest of your ELA working on your kindness writing found under the topic Writing Portfolio. Okay, so right there it is. This is what we're working on right here. And again, we are brainstorming different acts of kindness. We're going to continue working on that. All right, so let me know if you have any questions in regards to that. We're going to be doing the same thing in Mrs. Catherman's class. Okay, so you're going to complete your journal entry for today, watch a Veterans Day video, listen to the book Veterans Heroes in Our Neighborhood, and then you're going to complete the Veterans Day activities, read the PowerPoint, and write a thank you letter. Then you have, if you have time, you're going to work on your spelling, which is, all right, test is Monday. And again, read 20 minutes. Mr. Cease's class, we will continue, all right, learning about topic 4. Today we're going to be working on the practice. Here it is on estimating sums and differences. You guys have your resource folder. Use that, okay? Regroup that. Make sure that you submit your lesson. Okay, let's do a quick check on science. All right, in science yesterday you were doing some activities with light. You had some questions you had to fill out. Here, week of November 10th. Okay, here's a video on electromagnetic spectrum. All right, so you're just going to watch your video and then submit it. Now I want you to go into Mr. Shea's learning support classroom here, real quick. Okay, you notice I set out here. All right, we're going to do a morning check-in. I already did it at 8:45, okay? All you have to do is click on the link, and you can get into my Google Classroom. I'm going to do that right now. So we're going to have one at 8:45, a quick check-in in the morning, and then we're going to do one at noon. So I click on this, and then it says Join Now. All I ask is that you mute your camera. All right, so let's get into classwork for the week, this week. All right, so today I'm clicking on day 3 here. You're going to complete the spring math lesson that was pushed out to you yesterday. All right, then you're going to click on Moby Max, get in the class link, and I'd like you to do 10 minutes of fact fluency. I also push out a lesson on adding, all right, sums. You can do that as well. Now I'm going to click on reading intervention for today, Wednesday. You are going to do 20 minutes in our System 44 program. And again, this is through ClassLink. When you're finished with that, all right, I'd like you to go into Flipgrid, listen to the first 50 sight words. I want you to listen to them and then record yourself reading them and submit them to me. That's what you need to do, and you need to submit it. Otherwise, your work is incomplete. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you didn't show up to my Google Meet at 8:45, please make sure you do it at noon. All right? Good luck, and let's have